Hello friends, in today's class we'll learn more about table formatting. So in yesterday's class we saw how to insert table, and if you can see here, table tab is open. So here you can see many features of the table, like you can format the table as per your color choice here. And if you don't want filter to be applied to the table, then you can just untick this. See, filter has been removed, and if you tick once again, then it will reapply. And if we untick this header row, then see, header will be removed. And if you tick this total row, then total will be automatically calculated here. And this banded row, if you see here, all the color like row wise color initially it was row wise colored table, but if you untick this, then color will be like removed. And banded columns, it's a banded rows means color will be applied row wise. If you tick banded columns, then see, columns will also get colored. And first column, if you want to highlight first column, then if you tick first column, then first column will get bolded. And last column, then last column will get bolded. Okay. And this was one part of formatting. And if you move to insert slicer, so insert slicer, like we will use this to view the segment wise information. For example, if I click insert slicer here and I want customer wise data, so if I click on customer and click OK, see, all customers list is here. And if I want only data of ABC, then if I just click on ABC, see, only ABC data will be visible. And if I want this one, this one likewise. Okay. And if you want to remove, then you can clear filter, then every data will be like displayed again. And one more thing is remove duplicates. If there is any duplicate data in the table, then if we click on remove duplicates, then duplicate data will get removed. See, in this column there is no in this table there is no duplicate data, so no duplicate data values found. And convert to range, automatically table has been removed. It's in tabular format now. I'll just do Control Z. Again, see, table, it has converted into table format. Okay. And summarize with a pivot table. If we click on this, and we will be able to create pivot table. So we'll see about pivot table in next class. Because there is so much to learn about pivot table, and it is a useful tool of Excel, and most of the companies use pivot table for data visualization, data cleaning purposes, etc. Okay. And in this here you can see table name also, table name 4. So if you want, you can change this also, like I want to change it to customer data, and see, table name has been changed. ठीक है. Customer data, we need to use underscore here. ठीक है. So yeah, this much is enough for today. And tomorrow we will see what is pivot table and how to use pivot table and what is the advantages of pivot table. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye bye.